Using green sauce on barbecued pork? Who ever heard of such a thing? I'm walking into Ricks BBQ and we're going to try Alabama Green, one of my favorite green sauces, based on customer recommendations, and see how it works. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm constantly asked by my customers, what is this sauce or that sauce good on? Oftentimes, because of where we live, people are putting hot sauce on pulled pork. I almost always recommend my Alabama Red. Alabama Red is a very thick Louisiana-style hot sauce. Absolutely delicious on many, many things, including pork barbecue. But recently, I've had not one but two emails from customers who bought another one of my products that said, this is delicious on barbecue. And that product is Alabama Green. Now, Alabama Green is a sauce somewhat like Alabama Red, but instead of being made out of red jalapenos, it's made from green serranos. It's a little bit hotter, and it is delicious, but I've never thought about it in terms of putting it on pork. When I'm asked for suggestions for this sauce, I always suggest seafood, fish, things like that. Never barbecue. So, since I've received two different emails that said this stuff is delicious on barbecue, I thought I'd give it a try. Now today I'm at Ricks BBQ, which is a local North Alabama chain here. They've got, I think, 7 or 8 stores. They make wonderful pulled pork barbecue, and so I've had them bring me a barbecue pork sandwich. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this sandwich with my Alabama Green to see if in fact my customers were correct. Now, Alabama Green is a somewhat thick sauce. Smells great. And I'm going to load my sandwich up with this stuff. Matter of fact, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop a little lemon off the top of it, and I'm just going to pour it on. Now that's pretty well covered. We'll put it on here, put the top on. Now, I know my sauces are delicious. I also know that Ricks BBQ is delicious. So, I'm gonna go in for a try and see what I think. Wow, this is good. Green sauce on barbecue pork. I like this. I think my customers were right. This is delicious on pork. Now I gotta tell you, it's a little bit spicier than my Alabama Red, but it is absolutely delicious. Let's see what it does on french fries. Wow. Well, folks, I think I'm gonna have to change my recommendations. When people ask me now what's good on pulled pork, I'm gonna have to say Alabama Red or Alabama Green. One's a red jalapeno sauce, one's a green serrano sauce. I'm gonna let you go now. I'm gonna sit here and finish my sandwich of French fries, and I'm gonna drink this gigantic cup of iced tea. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you'll give Alabama hot sauces a try. I'd appreciate it if you would make a comment, subscribe to my website, give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. All right, folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. I enjoyed this. We had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.